Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create like an animation logo. How to create like an animation logo for your YouTube channel. So for example, I'm just gonna show you Oblivious HD. He has one of those He has one of these type of logos. So as you can see, this logo, it's like that. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make this logo in the easiest way. This is one of the most easiest way, guys. So let's get to it. So basically, you want to go to develop, and actually, you know what, guys? I just need to get my mouse open. So basically, what you want to do is go to develop. Okay, and then I already made a game for this. I'm just gonna create a new game for you guys, basically. So I'm gonna create a new game for you to. So basically, I would recommend creating this type of game. As I go to create game, and then you want to keep it private, or you can make it public if you want. So you want to go to Roblox Studio. You want to open Roblox Studio, and then I'll show you what to do from there. Okay, so Roblox Studio is now logging in. Okay, so you want to go to flat terrain, and then okay, so it should open. Yeah, so now you have this flat terrain. Okay, so while you have this flat terrain, what you want to do is just, so for example, for this video I will be doing a green background, but you can do any color. Basically I am gonna do green, so I'm just gonna type in, so you want to do your color and then screen, so then I have this green screen. It makes it all green, and then basically you just want to go 4, and then you have green 4. That should come up like that. Okay, now it's okay if the color isn't matching or something, because that won't be seen. So basically, what you want to do is have a spawn point. So you want to just go to spawn. So you just want to have like a normal spawn. You want to move it a bit in the air so that you don't see the dark green. So move it a bit in the air, so that the floor is not visible. So about like that. And you want to do it the way that the sun is not facing. Okay, so this is actually a good angle. So basically what you want to do from here is you want to go and you just want to, so you want to go to decals, and then you just want to do, now you don't have to do this, but just to be sure you should do this. So you want to take the decal, just want to push it. You want to take the decal, you just want to do that. And also, you should also do this for the floor. It's also really good. You want to do that. And then you want to do that. We're just going to do this for the floor. Okay, so now you have a completely green map. And then what you want to do is you want to go up to test, or right over here. You want to go play. Okay, so we spawned on the spawn point. So you want to get like a good angle of what you want. So just close out everything. And then you want to go to stop. Pause. So now I can't move. I'm holding WASD. Move. And then from here, you want to go to workspace. And then you want to go to your username, which in my case is official Kevin Plays. And then you want to delete everything except your head and body color. So we're just gonna do this quick. I'm gonna do a time lapse and see you there. Okay, so basically you want to keep so I just hit the point. So basically you want to keep like all your face stuff, but if you have any shoulder stuff, you want to take the shoulder off. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna take off the shoulder bear, and now we have this. Now if we go to that Oblivious HD, as you can see you can see that he has no face. Okay, you can see that he has no face. So we're gonna go over here. And then you don't want to click on this plus. You want to double click on head. Okay, and then you want to keep on going until you see face. And then you want to delete that. As you can see, you have this image right over here. Now, this only works on Windows 10, I'm pretty sure. Or you can just take a screenshot and then you can edit it later. But Windows 10 is way easier. So you just want to do snipping. So you want to get snipping tool. Okay. So then you want to go to new. And then you just want to have it a bit near like that. And then you want to go to file. You want to save as. And then you can go to pictures, whatever. You can go to camera roll if you want. I don't really care. You can save it to any file. So we're just gonna make a logo and then save. Okay, so now you have that picture, and that is how you do it.